Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Theta Network, the decentralized cloud for AI, media, and entertainment. So this is an AI token, and they have huge partnerships, guys. Look at this. We have Google, we have Amazon Web Services, we have Microsoft's Play Ready, we have Sony, we have Samsung, and the list goes on and on. Theta Network has positioned itself nicely for this upcoming bull run. So I really think that it has tremendous potential upside. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's a no-brainer, guys. We have been killing it in the group. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Theta Network is currently ranked number 55. The price is at $2.42, and the market cap is sitting right above 2 billion, at 2.42 billion to be exact. So the market cap is well into the billions already, but I really think that there is a lot of potential here. Let me show you why. First of all, if we take a look at the all-time chart here on CoinMarketCap, we see that Theta Network was created all the way back in 2018. So it has experienced another bull run before. In 2021, Theta ran all the way up to $12.92, life-changing money. People took profits, the price action pulled back, and as you see, just by looking at this chart here, we are currently at range lows. We are not buying rock bottom, guys. The best buying opportunity was during this accumulation phase, but we are still very early. This is the chart on TradingView. We are looking at Theta over USDT daily chart on Binance. As you see here, we have this huge cup and handle pattern going on. It literally took years to form, and the neckline of this cup and handle pattern is located at $3.83. Many other tokens have broken above their cup and handle necklines, but Theta has not done this yet. That's why we are still early into this. Theta is currently trying to complete the handle of this cup and handle pattern, and therefore, if we manage to get a very nice entry somewhere around this area, that's going to be a very nice buying opportunity because we expect Theta to pump after the price action breaks above this neckline. And therefore, if we buy all the way down here, we have the opportunity to front run the breakout above this neckline of this huge cup and handle pattern. Recently, the crypto market as a whole experienced a deep pullback. And many people got frustrated, guys. I got so many DMs on Telegram. Sir, should I sell my altcoins? Sir, is this the end of the bull run? What are you talking about, guys? Look at this. These pullbacks are the greatest buying opportunities of our lifetime. Before this recent pullback, Theta was only 14% away from the neckline of this cup and handle pattern. After the pullback, Theta experienced a retrace, started moving inside this triangle pattern, downtrending. And as you see now from the current price levels, the measured move to the neckline, that's a 59-cent move, almost a 60% move. That's why we love these huge pullbacks in this channel, guys. We are wolves. We buy fear. We love seeing red in the market. As you see here, I have this triangle pattern going on. Theta has been downtrending, moving inside this triangle pattern. We have this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. We had a bounce here, another bounce here. And also, we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as a resistance. We got rejected here, another rejection. Again, many people get frustrated when they see pullbacks, but honestly, I really hope that the price action gets rejected again so I can buy some Theta at lower prices. If the price action gets rejected here, which is very possible because as long as the price action is moving inside the triangle pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the triangle pattern until it breaks out. It might break out to the upside or to the downside. This pattern specifically has a very high chance of breaking to the upside. That's a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. So it's very possible that the price action is going to break above this pattern sooner or later. But for now, that the price action is moving still inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern. Okay? So if we get rejected here, the first thing that I am watching is I'm watching for a bounce. I have this range here for you, this white range, ranging between $1.96 and $2.13. So I'm watching for a pullback here, watching for a bounce somewhere around this area. This is going to be really bullish because, as you see here, the price action put a low right here, and then if the price action bounces on this level, this is going to be a higher low, which is very, very bullish. If the price action experiences this pullback and bounces here, somewhere around this range, and then breaks out of the triangle, that's going to be even more bullish because we are going to have this higher low, and by the price action breaking above the triangle pattern, we are going to have the breaking of this downtrend, which is really, really bullish. You see how the price action downtrending has been putting lower highs, another lower high, another lower high, and lower lows. You have this low, you have a lower low, you have another lower low. This is the definition of a downtrend, when the price action is putting lower highs and lower lows. If the price action breaks above the triangle and we see this lower low and then a higher low, it's very possible that we might see a higher high again and another higher low. So you see how the trend is changing, right? This might be the beginning of an uptrend. That's why I am watching for a bounce here at this key range of support. This is the first area that I'm watching for a bounce. If the price action experiences an even deeper pullback below this range, the next level that I am watching for a bounce is all the way down here. That's a bounce on this lower descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support, as you see here and here. But also, this is going to be a bounce on this key horizontal level of support that's located at $1.52. That's going to be an amazing buying opportunity in my eyes if the price action pulls back all the way down here. But honestly, I don't think that this is going to happen because the market is very smart, guys. And I really think that because they want to take our money, they won't give us the opportunity to buy Theta all the way down here again. If it happens, it's going to be great. But I really think that the people who manipulate the market are not going to give us this opportunity. We can predict the future. We don't have a crystal ball. All we are doing in this group is reacting to what the price action is doing. So we like to make plans no matter what happens. We want to be ready. So if the price action breaks above the triangle pattern, right here, right now, I would buy the breakout, scale in on the retest, wait for a continuation move to the upside. If the price action gets rejected here, I am watching for a bounce around this key range of support, the white range that I have here on the chart. If the price action breaks below this range, I am watching for a bounce all the way down here at this key level of support that's located at $1.52, but also that's going to be a bounce on this descending yellow trend line that has been acting as support recently. Of course, as I always tell you, it's always safer to buy the breakout. So for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, higher risk, higher reward trade would be to watch for a bounce here or a bounce here. But for those of you who want to trade this in a more safe manner, what I suggest is wait for the price action to do its thing and watch for a breakout above this triangle pattern. It might happen here, it might happen here. We might see just a small pullback and then it happened. Watch for a breakout. Buying the breakout is always safer. I have a few Fibonacci levels here on the chart that you should be paying attention. So the first one is located at $2.51. If the price action breaks above this, that's another kind of safe way to buy the breakout. Buy the breakout, scale in on the retest if it happens, wait for a continuation move to the upside to hit the rest of the targets. The next Fibonacci level is located at $3, and the neckline, as I told you earlier, is located at $3.83. From the current price levels to the neckline, a measured move is a 59% move. If we see a small pullback somewhere in this white range that I have here on the chart, let's start a measured move from the middle of this to the neckline. That's an 87% move. That's why we love pullbacks, guys. We love rejections. We love buying red. We only buy red candles in this group. We never buy green. Look at this. If the price action experiences a deep pullback all the way down here, the measured move from this level to the neckline, that's a 150% move, approximately. Life-changing money. And that's only the beginning, guys, because after the price action breaks above the cup and handle neckline, we are going to see a continuation move to the upside. So a lot more profits are coming after the breakout above the neckline. This is not the end. By buying all the way down here, we're just trying to front run the breakout above the neckline. A measured move of this cup and handle pattern is all the way up here at $7. Look at this, guys, trying to front run the breakout from the current price levels to this measured move of this cup and handle pattern. That's almost a 200% move, 193%. Theta has a market cap of over 2 billion, so it needs some kind of liquidity to flow into it in order to make moves like that. It's not going to move easily. Of course, if the price action pulls back all the way down here at this key range of support that I showed you earlier, this measured move to all the way up here to the target of this cup and handle pattern, that's a 241% move, guys. If we see an even deeper pullback all the way down here to this key level of support at $1.52, that's a 361%. That's why we love pullbacks, guys. These pullbacks during a bull run like the one that we are currently experiencing are life-changing buying opportunities. I am going to say this again and again and again. If I zoom out, I have a price prediction here for you that I gave you in my last video. This red trend line that I have here on the chart is from the previous video that I posted, and I think that the price action was all the way down here. So that was a 5x move basically to this price level of $9.62. From the current price levels to this target, the measured move is only a 300% move approximately, and if Theta manages to reach this price target of $9.62, it's going to have a market cap of 9.6 billion. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your price prediction for Theta for 2025? Again, Theta is a very nice token. It's an AI token with huge partnerships. And after the price action breaks above this neckline, we are going to see some crazy huge parabolic moves like the one that we saw here back in 2021. 90% of the tokens, guys, that they put an all-time high during their first bull run, they do not surpass that previous all-time high during their second bull run. And therefore, I don't want to give you a price prediction that's above the previous all-time high. So this price prediction right here at $9.62 is a conservative price prediction that makes sense, at least in my view. However, anything can happen in the crypto market. Theta can experience a crazy run that is even bigger than this. Based on data, it's very possible that we are not going to surpass that previous all-time high, but things might be different this time, guys, because America is turning pro-crypto. Many other countries, many other institutions, companies are getting involved, and a huge amount of liquidity is about to flow into the crypto space. So if Theta surpasses that previous all-time high that we saw back in 2021, that according to Binance is located at $14.89, the next target that I have here for you is located at $19.21. If Theta hits this target at $19, it's going to have a market cap of approximately 19 billion. That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click the like button and hit the bell icon so you receive notifications when I post updates on these Fibonacci levels and price predictions in the coming days, weeks, or months. Also, if you want to find these setups that I am talking about with the Fibonacci levels of support and resistance for all the tokens that I am looking at every single day, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a free link in the description below. It's not going to be free forever, guys, so make sure that you join as soon as possible. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.